Hello everyone, welcome back to The Healthy Human. Today's topic is going to be about New Year's resolutions. Now personally, I am a big fan of New Year's resolutions. I love a fresh start, new beginnings, setting myself new goals for the year, all that jazz. However, oftentimes I found that people make the wrong kind of resolutions, me included. So this year, for example, is pretty much the first time where I've made a resolution that's not lose weight, get skinnier, all that kind of thing, eat super clean, exercise all the time, all those kind of unrealistic goals. This year is more about strength focus, feeling more confident in myself, and then whatever happens as a result of those things, weight loss, increased fitness, better eating, that's all just kind of like an extra bonus. So what I wanted to talk about was how to make actual meaningful resolutions. What I find is people make these resolutions, lose weight is obviously usually a big one. People make them and then they start off great for the first few weeks of the year and then they drop off and they just lose all motivation. They just can't do it anymore. They've gone from 0 to 100 and then they can't keep it up. What I want people to actually start doing is thinking about, why do you actually want to lose weight? Like if their goal is to lose 10 kilos, why? Why do you want to lose 10 kilos? And then they start to think, oh, well, maybe I want to have more energy. Maybe I want to play with my kids and not get so tired. Maybe I want to be able to participate in this family fun run that we do every year because previously I've been unable to do it because I haven't felt fit enough. Maybe I want to then maybe that increased fitness will make me feel more confident to wear a bikini. Those kind of things. So when you kind of delve a little bit deeper, it gets to the point where you don't really just want to lose weight. You really just want to feel more confident. You want to be able to run this 5K and you want to be able to spend more time with your kids. So when you change your goal to then be about those things, they become meaningful. Like they become your why. Why do you want to do this? And they become your motivator. So for example, that one where this lady wants to actually spend time with their kids instead of just lose 10 kilos. She wants to spend time with their kids because they're at a young age and she wants to grow up and have like a great relationship with her. So now she has this goal. She has why she wants this goal. That will keep her momentum going. That will keep her motivated to keep up these healthy habits. And then from there, you can go on and develop specific strategies for that goal. She just wants to spend more time with her kids. Great. Maybe she's actually go spend time with them. Maybe she dedicates a certain amount of time each day, or she spends some time each week thinking about activities that they can do. And maybe for someone that wants to participate in their family fun run, maybe they'll start off by going for walks every day. Maybe they'll try running on the treadmill for a couple of minutes here and there every week. Maybe they'll enlist in a family member to help them start with their running and get some accountability. So these goals become more realistic and they become more meaningful. And it's not just, I want to lose weight just because I want to lose weight. It's way more meaningful. It'll create more change. It'll create long-lasting change. So basically the whole point of this video is that if you are making New Year's resolutions, make sure they're meaningful. Why do you want to do something? Why do you want that? What result is this going to give you and how is that going to make you feel? So there's nothing wrong with resolutions. They do tend to get a bad rap because, people often say, if you had a goal, why wouldn't you just start now? Why would you wait till the next year? Which I can see where they're coming from. However, New Year's resolutions can be a really big motivator for people. And of course, being the fresh start, it can be what people need. So just when you're making New Year's resolutions, just make sure they're the right ones for you individually and not, on someone else's benefit, and make sure you actually have meaning behind them. So yeah, that's just today's short video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you next time.